Let's learn a smash hit from 1975, performed by the Four Seasons, December 1963, or What a Night. Sounds like this. Idea of what it is. You need these 4 basic chords. We're also going to have a G7 factored in prominently, and then every once in a while you get a D minor index finger, middle finger, ring finger. You're also going to have an E minor index, middle, ring. I'm going to show you 2 different ways that you can strum this, and I'm also going to show you if you want to do some cool stuff like getting almost like a rhythm guitar. You're going to make the sound shorter so it makes more contrast between sounds that ring out. I'll show you how to do that too. Of course, I've got to play along at the end, so come join me. Hit that thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you don't ever miss a video that I do. I've got some great songs that are easy. I'll put my 3 and 4 chord playlist up here. Come join me. The easiest strumming pattern to put with this song is a 2-beat strum, where you're going down, down, up, 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 down, down, up. The first down takes up as much time as the down up that follows it. So think of it more like 1, 2 things, 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 1, 2 things. Another way, if that's a little bit too wordy, you can go ta, ti, ti, ta. If you can do the island strum, then I'd like you to consider learning how to do the split island strum. This way you're splitting up the island strum into 2 halves, and so you can play 2 chords with 1 island strum. How does that work? You're going to do the first 2 down strums on the first chord, and then the second chord that shares the pattern is going to get the rest of the strum. Down, down, switch chords, up, up, down, up. So that's the C and A minor. Let's practice that just a few times. Down, down, up, down, up. 1, 2, and do it again. Down, down, up, down, up. Let's do the whole introduction together. I'll do it really slowly. Let's practice it together. I'll put them in brackets down below so you can see exactly which chords share that island strum. 1, 2, here we go. Down, down, up, down, up, down. Hope that you enjoy that challenge. Let me know down below how it's going if you have any questions. Again, if you leave me something down below, I'll respond to it in the comments. In the course, you have several strumming options. You could just keep the 2-beat strum, but you're going to have to do 2 per each chord. So like this. And I got a funny feeling as she walked in the room. Like that. You could also do the island strum. And I got a funny feeling when she walked in the room. Like that. At the very end of the chorus, I put in some single down strums to imitate what the Four Seasons did. It sounds like this. Oh, verse. Putting it with some words to help you. T, T, rest, T, T, rest, ta, T, T, rest, oh, what a night. I'll do that again. T, T, rest, T, T, rest, ta, T, T, oh, what a night. That's the timing. Let's talk about the bridge because it offers some fun challenges. You can do some more of those down strums, but if you want to get more punch to it, I'll show you how you can do some muting up here. If you don't have a high falsetto, this is hard to sing. It's hard to sing for me. So why not take the singing down an octave? I'll talk about that too. Let's do the strumming first. 1 and rest, 2 and rest, down, down, down. 1 and rest, 2 and rest, down, 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 2. I'm going to put a beat on this, and I'm going to put some words to it to help you. 1, 2, 3, go. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. So when you're doing that with the chords, it's the A minor is the ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. So that D comes just before the beat. If you don't make it just before the beat, no worries. People aren't going to remember that. But, you know, that's what I hear when I listen to the original. So let's do it without any fancy muting. Let's do it together. I'll show you how it goes with the chords. 1, 2, here, go. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. Like that. Let's do it again. 1, 2, here we go. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. Ba-da, ba-da. 1, 2 things. I like to touch the strings. I'll show that to you up close. And that cuts off the sound. Ba-da, 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 that gives you just a little bit of style points. Is it necessary? Absolutely not. It's just trying to give it more of a flavor of a rhythm guitar. I provide really detailed chord charts. So all these things that I talk about in the strumming are included in my chord charts as one of the rewards for my patrons on patreon.com. Consider joining us. Starts at $3 a month, which I think is really reasonable, and you get face-to-face access with me twice a month on Zoom. So if you'd like to have a mentor on your ukulele journey, I'd like to help you with that. I also have charity goals, and we are 7 people away from hitting 200 patrons, which is going to send 5 ukuleles packages that can be scrubbed down and kept sanitary and all that good stuff to a library in Perth, Australia, where they will also be providing instruction. I'm not a professional singer. I do okay. But this is beyond my talent level for the singing the bridge. So how am I going to take a great song like this and sing it? Well, one option is I can hit those notes, but I have to really back off my volume or else I sound kind of like a screeching cat. I'll give you an example. I'll sing it lightly, backing off the volume, and I can make it. I felt a rush like a rolling ball of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. Oh, what a night, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, what a night, do-do-do-do. I can do it. Might sound a little church lady, but you know, I can do it. And so if that works for you, that's an option. Another option is don't sing it high at all. Sing it an octave lower, and unless somebody has really good recall on this song, they won't even know. Here's an example. I felt a rush like a rolling bolt of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. Oh, what a night, do-do-do-do-do. Oh, what a night. What I'm going to do in the play along. You pick whatever one works for you. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. What a night, late December back in '63. What a very special time for me. I remember what a night. Oh, what a night. No, I didn't even know her name. I was never gonna be the same. What a lady, what a night. Hypnotizing, mesmerizing me. She was everything I dreamed she'd be. Sweet surrender, what a night. Oh, I felt a rush like a rolling bolt of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. Oh, what a night. Do-do-do, oh, what a night. Do-do-do, oh, what a night. Do-do-do, oh, I got a funny feeling as she walked in the room. And as I recall, it ended much too soon. Oh, what a night. Why did it take so long to see the light? Seems so wrong, but now it seems so right. What a lady, what a night. Oh, I felt a rush like a rolling bolt of thunder, spinning my head around and taking my body under. Oh, what a night. Do-do-do-do. Oh, what a night. Do-do-do-do. Oh, what a night. Do-do-do-do. Oh, what a night. Do-do-do. Oh, what a night. I hope you have fun with this song. I hope your late December in 1963 went great. I don't remember mine, but I was around. I hope this brings you lots of joy in 2022.
I hope that this tutorial and play along has brought you joy and confidence in your ukulele journey. I would like to thank all my patrons for their great feedback, song suggestions, community building, and your very important financial support for my teaching efforts. If you appreciate what I do and have a few dollars a month to spare, I encourage you to join our growing Patreon community. Don't forget to hit that like button before you go and keep spreading the ukulele love.